Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to use index plus match function in Google Sheet. Here you will see I have this table, okay, student name, student ID, maths, science and English marks. Okay, so now I want to find out on the basis of this student ID their name, their marks in math, science and English. Here you will see I have used the function this index plus match. So if I change the student ID, okay, you will see their name, maths, science and English marks will be updated. Okay, so like this, if I changed it to S002, so I will find out that the name of the student is Rahul Verma, their my marks is 76 and science 82 and in English 88. Here you will see this is true. Okay, so how to do it, how to use this function? So first I'm going to just copy this, okay, name, header, okay, then I will show you how to do it. First I will create a drop down list of this student ID. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to select the cell where you want to just create the drop down list, then go to data, here data validation, now add rule. Now here in criteria you have to click on drop down and drop down from range, select the drop down from range. Now click on this data table icon. Now select the data range. So I want to create this student ID drop down, so you have to click on create, select all the student IDs. Okay, click on OK. Now done. So now the drop down list is created. Okay, now I will find out the name of the student by using this student ID index plus match function. Okay, index plus match function. So reference, so what is reference? So if it is asking for reference, so you have to select the what do you want to find out. So as I want to find out name, so you have to select the name column, whole column. Now comma, now for row you have to use this match function. Okay, match. Now search key on the basis of student ID I want to find out this name. Okay, student's name, so you have to select this cell, comma, now range, so range will be this student ID's range. Okay, range will be this. Now comma, now search type, so search type will be 0 because I want to find out exact match. Okay, now bracket close. So now you will see if I change the student ID, you will see change, roll number will be also changed, name also changed. Okay, now we will use again index plus match function here, index. Okay, now I want to find out this maths number. Okay, so you have to select math column, a comma, now for row we will use match function. Okay, then here you will see search key, it will asking for search key. So on the basis of this student ID I want to find out the maths number, comma, now range, so range will be this student ID. Okay, comma, now search type will be 0 because I want to find out exact number. So now you will see if I change this 005, you will see student name will be is Sneha Kapoor and their marks in math is 81. We will recheck it. Okay, Sneha Kapoor, maths mark is 81. So you can use this formula in science and English. So like this you can use index plus match function in Google Sheets. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.